What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today I'm very excited because today we are gonna be working on this beautiful Denali truck. I believe he just got it as well. I don't think I've ever seen this truck. Customer of mine, but today we're gonna be doing the sauce package, just the basic vacuum, windows wash, condition the interior, plus the exterior will get washed, wheels and tires. But on today's video, I am very excited because as always, around 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm probably on Amazon. I'm always looking for something new, different, something that I could probably buy and say, this makes sense, right? But on today's video, guys, we are talking about the perfect kit to purchase if you're just starting your business, or if you are a detailer who is looking to buy a bucket, brushes, and things like that. I think I found the perfect kit for you, so stick around and I'll show you what's all in it and what are my honest thoughts about it. So let's get started. It's time to talk about this detailing bucket by SPTA. For the price, I think at under $60, I feel like this is a perfect and fair priced deal. Let me show you why. So one of the things I liked is, you know, for tall people like myself, I'm about 7'2" through the screen, is having this lid right here, right? So for us tall people like myself, you know, sometimes cleaning the wheels and the tires, it gets very difficult for us bending over and stuff. So it comes with this nice sturdy lid, right? To where you can sit and clean your wheels and tires without backache, right? Let's go ahead and open it up. When you purchase this bucket, not only can you use this for your exteriors, you can also use this for your interiors, right? There's multiple ways that you can use it, not just for exterior. So the value just literally doubled for you, right? In this kit, it comes with 2 sets of brushes, right? It comes with a wash mitt. Feels pretty good. It also comes with these red circle sponges, which I don't know what I would use these for, but I'm sure I'll figure something out. It also comes with a set of towels, right? I would say these are to, you know, wipe your windows, clean your glass. I'm sure these do really, really well. It also comes with 2 sets of brushes. One brush is this medium bristle. This is to clean. These are gonna be perfect because these clean really, really well. And it also has the tip, right? It also has this protection, this rubber piece at the tip to help you protect the wheels of your customers. Aside that, it also comes with this flat wheel brush, which are always my favorite. And it comes with a nice handle, right? So I gotta say, I went down the rabbit hole a couple weeks ago buying SPTA stuff because I saw a bunch of orange, and I bought me some sets, right? This one caught my attention because of the ergonomics. This handle feels really, really good. Not too thin, not too wide or thick, right? It's just perfect, right? So it comes with 2 sets of brushes. Aside from that, it comes with this wash sponge, which obviously we may not be using this, so I'll probably find a different purpose for this. And it also comes with a tire dressing applicator for your tires, right? It comes with a nice, feels like a soft, maybe brush. This is usually used to like scrub your tires, but I honestly would probably switch this over to interior, to scrub your leather, to scrub your door panels, to scrub your carpet. But the purpose of this one is truly to clean your tires. Lastly, you get a wheel brush, very soft, very, very soft. So it's gonna do the job to not scratch your wheels or your emblems as well, right? And lastly, it comes with 2 brush holders, right? The bucket itself, and you also get a grit guard. Right? For the price, I'm not gonna complain on the grid guard. I'm probably gonna buy a different one with a smaller holes so that it can really keep the dirt down. But hey, you can't complain with this, right? Let me show you really this amazing value you're getting. So the brushes is one that caught my attention, because if you don't want to use all these brushes for your exterior, hey, you can use these for your interior. It comes with 2 sets. So this set here has more of this nice, beautiful design, boar hair, nice soft brushes. Then this one here. So, and you also have a very soft makeup style brush. So this is more of like, you know what? I could use these for my interior, right? And then the other set of brushes, let me show them to you. The other set of brushes is more of your usual style of brushes that you guys see, right? So these have numbers 18, 12. I'm assuming like, does this mean like 18 inches of the brushes? I don't know. But it comes with more brushes. So these are more of your, I would say, dedicated more towards your exterior. But honestly, you're gonna be seeing me use these on my interior as well. So the value is there, guys. And another thing that I did like about this kit here is the bottom of these brush holders have holes, right? So after you clean them or as you're using them, right, they're gonna have water. So by adding these holes here around these things, your brushes are gonna be able to like air out, but as well as have less water at the bottom of the bucket when you're finished. So that is what comes in the kit. Let's go ahead and get everything set up and let's get these wheels started. All right, you guys, so let's get started with this product review. We are using the Adams wheel and tire cleaner, and then obviously we are going to follow it up with one of the SPTA brushes, the small ones, to clean like all in between these lug nuts really good. And then we are using our wheel brush, the one with the bristles. For this style of wheels, I like to use this style of brush so that it can really clean really well. And it did really well on these wheels as well. Obviously, it's a brand new brush, so it's going to do really well, right? And then I always like to rinse my brushes off. That way I'm not inducing a lot of this dirt back into the bucket. And then I'm using their tire brush. I gotta say, I was actually impressed with this brush. And as you can see, a lot of that dirt and that grime came off that tire. And then we are coming with our soft bristle brush to clean the wheel faces. Overall, I really thought that this kit was going to be kind of cheap, but all these items are solid. Now we're going to just rinse the wheel and the tire off really good. A wash mitt is actually, I believe, a very crucial part to your wash process. Having a good wash mitt really helps in delivering results as far as minimizing your swirls on the paint and stuff like that, right? So I honestly felt like this wash mitt felt really good to the hand, and it glided beautifully. Obviously, it is actually paired with the Coach Chemi GSF soap. So there was definitely a lot of lubricity. It glided really well. The paint felt nice and slick. So I felt very confident in using this wash mitt. And here you see me just throwing it into the bucket. That way the grid guard catches all the dirt. Are finally done with this project. Final thoughts on the SPTA kit, right? I don't even know what to call it, but bucket kit, right? 33 pieces overall, right? This is the perfect kit for anybody who is planning to start their business, right? If you're on the verge of starting your business and you're kind of going around and seeing, you know, pricing on brushes and all of that, I kid you not. If you're going out there to get the latest, greatest name brand, you're gonna spend well over probably $150, guaranteed, right? If you're like me, that you really don't care about brand and what you use and what people see, get you the SPTA kit. Beautiful bucket. You can find it very easily around where you're working, right? It comes with some amazing brushes to get your interiors looking good, your exteriors looking really good. It also comes with a wash mitt that is very solid, felt great as I was washing the exterior of the vehicle, right? This is that kit that's gonna get your business going, right? And if you're a detailer who probably, you're probably like already like, man, I gotta find me like a new bucket. I gotta find me some new brushes. Do me a favor. I'll be posting a link in the description below. Go and get you this bucket. I promise you, you are not gonna be mad about your purchase. This bucket here is definitely a game changer. It has everything you need to get some cars going, right? Everything sounds good, Carlos. If there's anything you could maybe change, what would it be, right? I think the only thing I would probably change on this kit would probably be the grit guard, and I would find a way to put a foam cannon in here, right? I would say, to be honest, we could go away from adding this to the bucket kit and maybe these right here to the bucket kit, right? Take these two items away and maybe find a way to put a foam cannon in there, right? That'll be the perfect kit for a detailer. You know, maybe we don't need all these brushes, right? Maybe we just need one set, right? That's one less item to take away from this kit so that we can fit a foam cannon in here, right? And literally that would be the perfect wash bucket kit. This one, I don't know, I'm probably gonna cut this sponge and make it into a tire dressing sponge, but we'll see, right? There's a lot of things that I really don't know what to use this one for, but we'll find something for it, right? Now, if you've watched all the way to the very end of the video, there is a giveaway 1 week from today. The winner will be chosen. So good luck to all the entries. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video. God bless you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.